Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over the new feature, the group module. Using the group module, I'm going to duplicate or replicate these modules here. So I'm going to add a new row. Let's add a single row this time. Add text module. I'm going to copy and paste this module here. Let's paste this module here. Okay, 3 columns. This first one's going to be a group, image module, then 2 text modules below it. Another text module below it. The last one's going to be a button module. Let's see. I'm going to change the image. Can go up here and copy and paste the attributes. I'm just going to have to change the text manually. This is going to be R&D. Copy attributes, paste the attributes. Here I can just copy and paste the text. I'm copying and pasting so this video doesn't take an hour. Now I'm going to go up here and just copy and paste the attributes from the button. Copy attributes, paste attributes. There we go. And it even changed the text for me. So I can paste the group. Adds that extra space at the top. There isn't a way for me to paste the group. Let's see. So for right now, I'm just going to make a group module. Paste the group module. And delete the top group module. Then all I would need to do is change the text and the images. Change the image here. data ingestion. Let's see, I'm going to add a new row, 2 columns, it's going to be group. And then I can add a group here. Paste the group. Delete the one on top. Paste the group module. Delete the unused module at the top. Let's actually change the image. Something different. Let's try this. Change this image also to this image. And one thing I also need to do is I need to copy and paste the attributes from the text module here. That's in green. Paste the attributes. Paste the attributes for all 5 modules. Seems like the text is different. Okay, save draft. And that is how you can use the group module, which is a new module, a new feature in Divi 5 that shows great potential to speed up web design using the Divi WordPress theme. So that concludes this video. Remember to like the video, share the video, leave comments below the video, and subscribe to the channel.